In this project, I built a fully automated invoice management system in Excel using VBA, allowing businesses to manage clients, projects, invoices, progress tracking, and PDF exports, all without external software. Most small businesses manage invoice in messy spreadsheets or expensive subscription tools. This system centralizes everything into one internal dashboard. You can search and find your invoices, track progress, preview invoice, and add new projects. Let's create a new invoice. We select the client and select a project. Then we have an overview of tasks, budget, percent complete, total earned, and previous invoiced. And then we can send a new invoice. Save invoice. We can also preview it and export as PDF. And here's the PDF export, ready to send to a client. If you're looking to build a custom internal system just like this, whether it's invoicing, CRM, report dashboards, or workflow automatizations, feel free to reach out. I specialize in building tailored Excel and VBA automation systems for businesses that want powerful tools without expensive SaaS subscriptions.